In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the DHgate affiliate program step by step. Whether you're new to the world of affiliate marketing or just looking to expand your horizons, this guide will help you get started in no time. First, go to DHgate.com using your preferred internet browser. Once you're there, softly scroll down to the very bottom of the home page. You'll find a section labeled Partnership. Under this, there's an option for the affiliate program. Clicking here will steer you to the next phase of signing up. On the affiliate program page, you'll see a button inviting you to join free. Click on it to proceed. This is where you'll create your account by entering your email address. Ensure you use an email you frequently check, as it will be vital for future communications and verifications. Next, it's time to set your password. Make sure it's a strong one, combining letters, numbers and symbols for security. Think of this as protecting your future earnings, so make it a good one. After entering your email and password, don't forget to review the terms of use and privacy policy. It's always wise to know what you're agreeing to. Once you're ready, check the box to show your agreement and then click on Create My Account. Upon creating your account, head over to your email inbox. Look for a verification email from DHgate and open it. This email contains your verification code, which you'll need to copy. Returning to the DHgate site, paste your code into the provided area. After that, click on Next and you're almost there. Now there's another agreement to review. This is the DHgate.com affiliate agreement. After reading through, if you're content, check the box to agree, and then proceed to click on Activate Free. Congratulations, your account is almost set up. To fine-tune your profile, you need to select your channel type. Is it a blog, social media, or maybe a combination of both? Choose accordingly and enter an approximate number of your followers. This helps DHgate tailor their support to your influence. Continuing, you'll need to fill out more specific information. Enter the title of your channel, its URL, and a contact detail. Additionally, providing tags that best describe your content or interests can be beneficial for potential collaborations. After all details are in, click Save to update your profile. You are now set to dive into the world of DHgate's product offerings. Click on All Products to view available items. You can either browse through or search specifically for something you'd like to promote. Each product page will reveal the price and the commission rate. Once you find a product that sparks your interest, hit Get Link. For a cleaner, easier to use URL, click Short Link, then proceed to click Generate. You can now copy this link and share it with your audience, starting your journey as a DHgate affiliate. That's all there is to it. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is consistency and understanding your audience's needs. Happy promoting.